Updating your email address on Spotify is a straightforward process. Follow these steps to ensure your account information is current. Step 1. Log into your account. Visit the Spotify website or open the app and log into your account using your current email address and password. Step 2. Access account settings. Once logged in, navigate to your account settings. You can find this by clicking on your profile picture or username, usually located in the top right corner of the screen. Step 3. Select Edit Profile. In the account settings menu, look for the option labeled Edit Profile or Account. Click on it to access your profile information. Step 4. Update your email address. Find the field that displays your current email address. Enter your new email address in this field, ensuring it is typed correctly to avoid any issues. Step 5. Save changes. After entering your new email address, scroll down and click the Save button to confirm the changes. You may receive a verification email at your new address to complete the update. Once you follow these steps, your Spotify account will be linked to your new email address. Make sure to check your inbox for any verification emails and enjoy your music.